What's up, traders? What's up, viewers? Want to show you guys I traded EurAud UsdJpy on Friday, May 8th. And for EurAud AUD, I was already in the trade around this area. I got in, price drop, came back up. At this point I was at break even, and I knew, because I trade the pattern 3 pushes reversal, so I kind of saw that coming. I stood in the trade, and price dropped during when the session started, which was the Australian dollar session into the Asian session. It started to drop right there. That's when I took my profits. So that was my my trade for EurAud AUD. I saw 1 push, 2 push. I got it on the 2nd push. Price came back up. Had me at break even, and then the 3rd push dropped, and that's when I took my profits. As you can see, my analysis, I had analyzed this before the market opened on Sunday. Because I kind of seen that the trend was down already, came back up, and look at where it's at now. Push right back down to this support zone right here, and now price is pushing back up. May continue to push up. We'll see how these candles develop, but as you can see, this is what I do. I mark up my consolidation zones to see where we're at, to see where we at in the trend, what type of trend we in right now. And this played out exactly as expected. The week before this, I think I have screenshots too. I think I had made like $1,000 too around this area. But yes, May 8th, Friday, $1,600. I caught this nice drop. 2nd and 3rd push on EurAud AUD. The other pair that I caught was UsdJpy. And I caught that during, I believe it was NFP, during NFP. Was around this area right here. Price came back up. This is when NFP hit, spiked down just a little bit, and this long ass candle just came up, came back down. Then I got in around this area, and I caught like 25 pips from it, and that was the 500 and some change that I made off of it. And as you can see now, price is just still pushing up. But if I mark this up, you'll see 3 pushes going up. This is the 3rd push right here, long push. Everybody trades their way. Everybody has an approach to the charts, right? I go by structure, zone to zone, support and resistance, and then I break down the candlesticks within the consolidation zones to decide whether I should get into a trade or not. So I start from monthly, go down to weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and I break it down like that. Got 1, 2, 3. Let's see, it's 3:24 p.m. right now. It is Monday. We might get a pullback before we continue up, or it might just continue up. We'll see what happens. I did not get into no trade today, Monday. No, matter of fact, I think I did. I think I caught a buy on this UsdJpy. Not too much, but I caught a little bit of profit. Usually I like to observe the market before I actually, but I did observe it, and that's why I took the buy. But more in detail, like, because I like entering trades either Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Because I like to know what part of the pattern I'm in to enter a trade. So, you know, so that's what I do. I look at structure. You got to look at structure to know what's going on, where you at. So by structure I mean M or W type of structure, right? 2, we got to mark up your zone to zone support and resistance. Very important. Make it short. And then 3, you got to break down the candlesticks within the consolidation zone to decide at what point within the pattern you're going to enter the trade. So this is very important to know. So yeah, $1,600 in one day. And let's see what happens this week. I'm still looking at UJPYs. What else? AUD USD. Looks like it's starting to come down a bit after it reached that current resistance zone around see where is that right now. Backed off this resistance. Nice M pattern, W pattern inside this M pattern. Structure I mean. So it may push down, may get a continuation push down for the week. My bias for USDJPY is up. AUD USD depends how strong. If AUD is stronger than the US dollar, then we can see this currency pushing back up. But the US dollar started the week off strong, so if that's gonna be the case, we will see AUD USD, this pair right here, continue to push down, pull back, continue to push down right into the next zone. Next zone right here, zone to zone, support and resistance, support area. So just wanted to give you guys a quick breakdown on the 2 pairs that made me $1,600 on Friday, May 8th. EurAud AUD and USDJPY. Stay tuned. I'm trying to make my videos more detailed for you guys and trying to get more into YouTube. So if you like this video, comment down below, give it a like, subscribe, share it. Let me know what you think. Peace.